This is the coral reef located in Fiji. The abiotic conditions of this biome, the temperature ranges from 67 degrees Fahrenheit to 97 degrees Fahrenheit, which is pretty warm. It goes to about 10 meters to 30 meters deep. Corals need a moderate amount of sunlight to survive, so coral reefs here receive a good amount of sunlight, being shallow-ish because the light is absorbed so greatly by seawater, it does not reach the greater depths. So luckily, these coral reefs are higher up, not as deep in the ocean. Coral reefs prefer low nutrient water, and the nutrients include phosphorus and nitrogen. Too many nutrients can cause algae blooms and an over amount of phytoplankton, and this can cause light blockage that the coral reef needs to survive. And the algae production causes competition for space between this algae and the coral. The primary producer here is phytoplankton, being that they are photosynthetic. The chemical energy is passed through the food chain because they are so small. They're eaten by everything else around them. And sunlight is also the primary source of energy. Some animals here. One is a sponge. The pores in sponges allow them to filter the water, being in not windier but rougher water conditions to find the food. It's easier to filter and they find the food. And inside of them, they also have flagella to trap their food. To the right here is an octopus. Octopus have really good camouflage. They have the ability to change color and even their texture to match their surroundings to hide from potential predators and other forms of danger. An interaction here, one example is a mensalism in coral reefs between fish lice and the small fish that live around here. The fish lice benefit by receiving nutrients from eating the fish, while the host fish can get sick or even die from these lice.